How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we are working on the G35 again, and we are installing some new side mirrors. Now, I have had these things for almost a week now, and I've just been really lazy and slacking on installing them, but we're finally doing it. And I want to give a huge shout out to my buddy Justin at Justin Drifts on YouTube. Link in the description. He's actually the one that told me about these side mirrors. They are ganador style. Now, my original plan was to buy the ones from rspeed. They're like a little over $300, and I really wanted to buy those. However, I'm still really iffy on how they would actually look on my car. And that's a lot of money for something to be iffy on. So I was holding off on them, and then he sent me a message one day, just out of the blue, about these other side mirrors from GKTech. And they were only 90 bucks shipped. So I hopped on them. They've been sitting in my room, and now we're installing them. So let me show you them. So here are the mirrors. Like I said, they are kind of that ganador style that's pretty popular on imports. Already come in a nice shiny black, so I don't gotta paint them. They are fixed, so you will lose your auto adjustment. Pretty much to adjust them, all you do have to reach out and go like this, and it'll stay in place. So you will lose the electric function you normally use, but gotta do it for the seam points, right? So there's that. Here's a little base plate for it in order to attach it on. And like I said, it is from GKTech. 90 bucks shipped. Take out the other mirrors. Here are some screws. Have no idea what these are for yet. I am assuming you just screw these things in, so we're going to find out. But in order to install them, you gotta do a little work, and that involves taking off the whole door panel. So I've already kind of done it to expose the mounting screws for the side mirrors. Basically, all you do is you remove one bolt in the door handle, 2 bolts in this little handle, remove the little side tweeter thing, which is right here, which is just held on by little push clips that normally goes right there. And then you pry from the bottom of the door to pull it out, and then once you get that out, you just lift this up and it pops out. Some stuff fell on the ground, might have broke something, who knows. I just hope we can get this all back together. And as far as the screws, for the little door handle and the 2 screws for the other handle, they weren't on tight at all. I wouldn't even say they were finger tight. They came off super easily. So when you guys reinstall it, you don't need to torque them on or anything. Just put them snug and you're fine. So we are going to remove these 3 10 mils to get the side mirror off. And then just make sure you guys undo this clip right here that goes to the side mirror, and you're done. Clip undone, nuts out. This should just come right off. There she is. I have no idea how to get the other one on. Not yet, at least. Alright guys, I figured it out. So, you open up these, take this kind of gasket back part out, and you need to take out these 3 studs. You can take them out with the 10 mil, but in order to put them back in, you put them back in here, you could probably get halfway with the 10 mil, and then it start losing its grip because it's like a really kind of shallow head for the nut, bolt, whatever you want to call it. So I've been using these to get the last of it on. So we're gonna do that for all 3 of them, then we should be good to go. this should just go on. This is what we hope, right? There we go. Base is on. Probably gonna bolt that down right now. Should be good to go. And this goes in just like that. Now we need to figure out, I think we get those screws from the back side and we just screw it in. It's all on. Screws are in. It looks like they do give you options if you want to use the shorter, smaller ones. Maybe they're extra. I don't know what they're used for. If they are used for something, I am obviously missing it. But these 3 long ones are next for the other side. I'll probably do the other side tomorrow because it is getting dark out and I want to get this on to get some outside clips of it and to get some pictures going. Throw it all back together and go outside.
It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity.
Alright guys, there it is. I do like the look a lot, so we'll be getting those charge speed ones eventually. There was one issue. I don't know if I put the top stud in too far into the base, but I couldn't get the nut on. So it's only being held on by 2 of the studs or 2 of the nuts right now. But I mean, it's like, they're not going anywhere, guys. They're on there pretty good. Now I just need to go in and obviously, like I said, you need to adjust these by hand and they will stay in place. So I just have to go in there and adjust that. But overall, guys, I am really happy, and for 90 bucks shipped, I mean, you can't really beat it. A little dirty, gotta clean them, but it looks good, guys. I'm happy. I'm really happy with that. Hope you guys liked that video, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.
Didn't even get to cross.